We all know that little voice in our head, the one that says, "You're not good enough, you'll fail, why even try?" Almost everyone hears it, at work, at school, in traffic, even scrolling social media. But here's the truth, most people let it control their life. Today, you're going to learn how not to. Step 1. Notice your self-doubt. The first step is simple. Pay attention. When that voice starts whispering, write down what it says. I can't do this. I'm going to embarrass myself. I'm not smart enough. Seeing it on paper makes it less scary. Those thoughts, they're just thoughts, not reality. You are not your doubts. Step 2. Question everything. Ask yourself, is this really true? Your mind loves to exaggerate. That big presentation at work, you're probably going to do fine. That text you're worried about sending, it won't ruin your life. That parking lot mishap, nobody even noticed. Most fears are blown way out of proportion. When you challenge them, they start to lose power. Step 3. Win small battles. Every day. Confidence isn't built overnight. Speak up in a team meeting, even if your voice shakes. Finish that homework you've been putting off. Run around the block once, then twice. Post a video. Make that cold call. Ask someone out. Each small victory stacks up. Slowly, fear stops running your life. You do. Step 4. Get prepared. Nothing kills self-doubt faster than knowing your stuff. Study for that test. Rehearse your pitch. Plan your week. Practice your speech before a work meeting. Know your skills inside out. Preparation gives you a backbone. When you know your stuff, your confidence follows. Step 5. Surround yourself with the right people. Who you hang out with matters. Negative people drag you down. Positive, supportive people lift you up. Join a study group, a local gym, a hobby club, or even an online community of motivated people. Their belief in you mirrors your potential, even when you can't see it. Step 6. Embrace failure. Here's a secret most Americans don't hear. Failing isn't the end, it's feedback. Every misstep teaches you something. Spill coffee on your shirt before a meeting? Laugh, fix it, move on. Forget a line during a presentation? Everyone forgets. Miss a deadline? Adjust and keep moving. Stop fearing failure. Confidence grows fastest when you act anyway. Step 7. Visualize your best self. See yourself succeeding, not vaguely. Picture the details. How you speak, how you stand, the decisions you make. Visualize winning that game, acing that interview, getting that promotion. Your brain treats vivid imagination almost like reality. Rehearse success in your mind, and soon, your actions follow. Step 8. Now, confidence doesn't wait. Don't sit around hoping to feel ready. Step forward anyway. Make that phone call, start that project, introduce yourself to someone new. Momentum builds fast. The first step is hard, the next easier, and soon nothing can stop you. Step 9. Fear will scream, doubt will yell, and that's normal. But every time you act anyway, you weaken it. Every small victory against fear makes you stronger. Step by step, you start controlling your life instead of letting it control you. Step 10. Start today. Do one thing right now. Make that phone call. Speak up. Finish that task. Stack these small wins every day. Eventually, that little voice won't have power over you. Confidence isn't a gift, it's a muscle. And today, you start building it. If you want more strategies to crush self-doubt and build unstoppable confidence, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because every week, we break down the science and stories that help thousands of Americans level up their lives. Don't miss out.